Hi, this is ChefMarkKalix, and today I'm working with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom to help with something that is truly an honor for our company, and that is to help donate mattresses to a wonderful organization. In fact, transitional housing is important because it helps people reach the next stage in their life, which is full-time work, an apartment, really benefiting society by being a functioning member of society. And that starts with great rest, which is why Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom is so honored to team up with Tempur-Pedic mattresses. So this is the second time we've done this, donating a truckload of mattresses to an organization that helps people. So we're moving mattresses back and forth between the semi-truck, and we're restoring them temporarily before they end up in the facilities where people get a great night's rest. So we're gonna be hard at work helping move these mattresses back and forth. Join me on that journey. So our semi-truck full of mattresses is up here, and we're restoring them in the secure areas down there. And you know what they say, when faced with limited resources, what do? You improvise. We got 4 mattresses at a time on top of the van, and everybody's chipping in. I love seeing this teamwork. I'm here with Cindy Gillings, and you're with Family Tree.
Correct.
And I understand that these mattresses are helping residents.
Correct.
Can you tell us about that?
Sure. So Family Tree is a nonprofit, and we have 9 different programs, and we house many families here. We just opened up a second building so we can even have more folks come stay with us that are experiencing homelessness.
At Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom, we always talk about the importance of a good night's rest.
Yeah.
How does that aid in their transition to their goals?
It helps tremendously. I mean, these folks are all coming from different situations. They're really just trying to figure out a way to find stability and safety and healing, and having a comfortable, clean bed to sleep on makes a huge difference, and we're very grateful for that. Thank you.
Anybody who's watching this, how can they help?
You can go to thefamilytree.org, and on there you will find a donate page, you will find a volunteer page.
Well, thanks for letting us know how everybody can help.
Yeah, of course. Thank you.
Okay.
First of all, thanks for reaching out. We're so happy to be a part of donation events like this and to be able to give back to the community in impactful ways. It's honestly the best part of my job. So actively helping people get set up with these mattresses.
Yeah.
And it's just a really special thing to be a part of. It's just, we're privileged to do it.
How many mattresses were on this truck?
128 mattresses on this truck.
How many of those mattresses did you personally unload? I think it was 128.
I had my hands on all 128 of them. Yeah.
Coming here and learning about Family Tree and how this donation is going to help the residents and the people they help has been so rewarding. So make sure that you go to thefamilytree.org, and this is an organization that helps the entire city. So make sure you get involved. And thanks again to Tempur-Pedic for their generous part in this donation. I'm ChefMarkKalix, Chef Mark. Thanks for joining us on this journey today.